I understand that there's a lot of mixed feelings out there about the adaptive cruise control. I'm going to assume you guys know what that means with the adaptive cruise. For example, me, I don't mind it, but a lot of times I like to drive without it because I get bored and I fall asleep at the wheel. You know what I mean? My wife, though, she loves the darn thing. You know, when she gets close to a vehicle, it slows her down. She's happy with it, you know, stuff like that. But the question might be is, Chris, how do I switch between the two? Is it easy? Is there visual cues? And the answer is yes, and let me show you how easy it is in the visual cues, okay? Here we are on the right hand side of your wheel. You can see on the top left hand corner, you got the little button there for your adaptive cruise or your cruise control. Now, before we select that button, you're gonna be looking right over here for the visual cues on your driver's interface and this center, okay? So now, when I select this button, just tap it, you'll see you got the icon right there for your adaptive cruise because you got the speedometer with a arrow and the car in front of it. So that's your adaptive cruise, because when that's active, you can actually select this button multiple times and you can select the distance between you and the car in front of you. That will slow you down. Now, if you don't like that feature for any particular reason, or maybe if you accidentally hold this button down a little too long as you're trying to switch the distance, it switches to standard cruise control. So you can see there's no car, the little speedometer and the arrow locks you right in place, so it will not slow you down to maintain a distance from that point. Now, to switch back, once again, all you have to do is click and hold that button down right here, and then there we go. Of course, though, no matter what mode you may have it in between adaptive cruise or your cruise, if you don't have this button selected, no icon up there, it will not work, okay? So there we go.